Midtown Manhattan, Avenida restaurant, rooftop views, fresh margaritas, and a kitchen where Caribbean meets Mexican. Today, one chef and one family legacy collide over two dishes and two iconic products from Cibao.
All right, well, my name is Chef Donnie. We're here at Avenida. We're gonna be making two dishes with some of our products today.
I'm Heinz Vielef Jr., president of Cibao Meat Products, family business. I've been eating these products my whole life, but never really been invited to a restaurant by a chef to kind of make it happen, so I'm excited to see that. You know, Salami Induveca for us has been over 40 years that we've made it, right, in the United States. So this is an exciting opportunity to kind of have that brand in new ways, which I think is really powerful. So when I think of salami, even though I work for the company, I always go back to what I had on Sunday at my mom's house, that I still have with my kids now, right, because she comes and makes it.
Yeah.
So that's like the tradition of like quality and family that I always like to hear about.
Growing up, my mother owned a restaurant, and it was a predominantly Caribbean cuisine. So these are things that we would use in our tres golpes. Mango, salami, queso frito, something we grew up eating, something I'm familiar with.
First up, tacos al pastor, reimagined with Induveca con jalapeño, a smoked salami blending pork and beef with jalapeños, herbs, and spices. Slow smoked, bold heat without the burn.
We just got that Induveca sausage in there with some al pastor meat and the jalapeños. Now we're just charring it off. We're gonna get it nice and hot, warm up our tortillas to assemble our tacos. The tacos with the al pastor meat, our jalapeño Induveca, some pineapples with some cilantro, onion, and radish garnish.
I love tacos, and I also love salami Induveca, which I've grown up too. So to have them both kind of fused together, so this is an exciting opportunity to kind of have that brand in new ways, which I think is really powerful. I love this combination of the smoked meat, that's what the product is. And then we're adding some of the sweetness to it, and the radishes give it a little crunch. Our product is a pork-based product anyway.
Right.
So that blends in really well. And then I like all the garnishes and the vegetables and give the plate color. Yeah, add some freshness. Let me try it with the sauce now. And as you can see, when I do my tacos, I don't bend the taco to me. I leave the taco like this, and then I. That was really good. That was a really good job.
Next,
We're gonna be doing some quesadillas.
A quesadilla built around Campesino Cooked Salami, a beloved Dominican classic since 1969. Pork, turkey, and beef. Its iconic black casing has been a mark of quality for nearly 6 decades.
The Campesino sausage, which is a smoked pork and beef sausage. Pretty much the same build, just with cheese and Campesino sausage. So it'll be the al pastor, pineapple as well. Pretty much the same process, just flour, tortilla, and cheese. That's the beauty of quesadillas. You know, you can kind of set them up however you like. Kind of a fan of the little crispy bits on the edge. But ideally, you know, you want to go low and slow so you don't burn your tortilla. You let the cheese get nice and melty and let the tortilla do its thing, caramelize a little.
The Campesino quesadilla, and it looks amazing. I was just curious because this product, you know, was something that my grandfather started back in 1969. So it has like 57 years in the New York market. Obviously one of the very first brands we started, that he started, part of like his legacy and now the company's legacy. I'm just curious, what's your favorite dish that you can remember with salami, you know, from your time growing up?
Yeah, so, you know, I kind of enjoyed it in tres golpes, like I said before.
The tres golpes,
Yeah, with the fried salami, fried cheese, fried eggs, over some mango with the pickled red onions. It's kind of a simple kit, so just fried salami on with some white bread and mayo.
Yeah.
Call it a day.
Call it a day, huh?
It's a nice snack for me growing up.
That's
nice,
great.
Easy way to still, you know, not have to wait on mom to make mango and all that.
Right.
Some fried salami.
Yeah, get some fried salami, throw in a piece of bread, right?
And some while I'm waiting for breakfast to be cooked.
That's great. Mine was like salami campesino guisado, so almost like a stew.
Oh, nice.
So you know what I'm talking about. So it's made into little triangles, the peppers, the onions, and the red tomato reduction, paste reduction sauce. My mother would put that on mango or mashed plantains.
Sounds amazing.
And sometimes you would have a fried cheese on the side, but I always loved it. Like I could literally eat 2 pounds of it.
Yeah.
And just because I just couldn't stop. But that's my favorite dish growing up.
2 products, 2 dishes. One tradition that runs through every Dominican kitchen in New York.
The company, Cibao Meat Products, was founded in 1969 by my grandfather, who was a German immigrant, who went from Germany to the Dominican Republic to the U.S. to kind of start his business and start this journey. And then from there, it's just grown from, from 1969 through 2026. Different products, salami, longaniza, chorizos, other products that we bring in. So it's really, truly it was a family business. It's something that we're all really proud of.
This third-generation family-owned deli meat manufacturing company specializes in making quality products and providing excellence in service.
I mean, some of the products we previewed here at Avenida restaurant, which is a beautiful location across the street from Madison Square Garden, really the mecca of New York City, is the Salami Campesino, which was our first brand in 1969, and our Induveca con jalapeño, which is a new product because we added jalapeno, but the base formulation is Induveca, that's the brand. And that's something that's been around for over 40 years. For people that are wondering, our products are readily available in independent supermarkets and chain supermarkets in the tri-state area, also in New England and Florida, and a lot of the club stores are wholesalers. The common ones, BJ, Sam's Club, and Costco's. So it's great that we're continuing to kind of get our products out there and that people are seeing really what the versatility is about the product. It's not just something for breakfast.
For more info, visit CibaoMeat.com.